Is there water in the boat or what?
Yeah. Morning, by the way. Thanks for joining. Yeah, man, it's full of water, and I'm soaked. I can't find the leak. It's impossible to find the leak, but the water level it stopped where it's at. So I'm, you know, I assume the water level stopped at the leak. But now we're wondering if there's like a whole bunch of tiny leaks. I don't know. You guys just got here. The boat builder just got here. Let's see what they have to say. I wish we were here an hour or two ago watching it come in, but I was pretty confident. I was really confident in the patches we did, so I didn't even think about the old patches or some tiny holes that there could have been. I fully expected it to be floating right now. So I'm devastated because now the boat's full of water, and if it is just little tiny nail holes or something, how are we gonna get the water out, you know? Like before, when there's a huge hole, it came in and went out with the tide. Now I don't know what we're gonna do. So yeah, it's I don't know, man.
Any words?
Yeah, one word. Starts with F, ends with K. Can't say it on the open video. It will be in the members only clips. On this rib, there's right up here, up. There's a nail right back there.
Nail?
So there might be a bunch of little nails where it's coming in, because that water didn't splash up there. That had to have come in from a patch, one of the old patches. But
I think it's also epoxy is important there.
yeah, we really can't tell until the water goes down, and then the water will stop right where the hole's at.
I've observed when the water goes on,
Yeah,
and already patches already.
but we're still gonna have to look at all the old patches and see if there's any nails that let a little bit in. I mean, we can put up with a little bit, but that trip across, we need a pump.
I think it's over.
Alex, what is happening?
Yeah, in the house, hospital.
Something here?
It's already broken, really.
I think it's mga old hole. You cannot decide. Do not kill epoxy.
So old holes.
Yeah.
So we're finding some little tiny holes that you can't even see from the outside, that are just in little nooks and crannies and stuff. That's our guess. The old patches, the ones we didn't fix that we thought were okay. I don't know right now. We got big problems. So you can tell the boat's actually going like this. It's way more floaty than before. We're gonna put a log under it, loosen the anchor ropes that are on the beach, and get it out a little bit. There's less water in there, but there's still 2 foot of water. So this is it's frustrating. I don't know what to do. I'm just checking. Well, we're checking the water line, the holes that would be at the water line. But I'm super discouraged. I think we're all discouraged right now. I don't know what else to say. Just gotta check these holes, or for holes. I'm over, man. I'm over it. I'm over it, man. Just shut off the camera. I'm over it.